fans.
Hi and good morning. We are group SEV12 and this is our analysis for the FFT2073 basic statistics project. So first I will introduce myself and my group members. I'm NURUL BINTI BADROLZAWI B25A3716.
My name is KAIYISAH INSYIRAH. My matric number E25A3600.
I'm AMIRA F23A0525.
I'm NAJMUDDIN. My matric number is E25A3739.
Okay, so for our project context, we will analyze dataset A, which contains 200 observations about patients. Specifically, we are looking to these categorical variables like the patient diet type A, B, and C, and the level of disease resistances. So our analysis has two main objectives, which is to summarize the relationship between diet type and disease resistances, and to perform a statistical test to infer the relationship between these two variables.
A few moments later.
Okay, for this part, for the other data, for the dataset A, B, C, the resistant and non-resistant, and the data for the resistant data type, we got 146, and for non-resistant, we got 45, and the total, we get 200. So, move to the next part. This hypothesis, the null hypothesis, there is no relationship between data type and disease resistant, and for the alternative hypothesis, there is a relationship between data type and disease type. For the chi-square, I got 0.90544323, and the data is for non-resistant, we got 80.363. For the resistant part is we got 50.37 and 70.2 for B resistant and so on.
Okay, for assumption check, all assumptions for the chi-square test were met, and for both variables were categorical. From the observation were independent, and all the cell data expected greater than or equal to 5. Chi-square x square equal 0.90. Degree of freedom df 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 equal 2.
A few moments later.
Now I will present the conclusion and interpretation of our statistical analysis. Okay, the significant level of use in this study is 0.05. Based on the division rule, if the P is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. If the P is greater than or equal 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Okay, for the chi-square test result, the chi-square obtained is 0.21, and the corresponding p-value is 0.90. Since the p-value is 0.90 is greater than the significance level, which is 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. This result indicates that there is no statistically significant relationship between the type of body disease and among the patient. So, in conclusion, the chi-square test shows that the diet type does not have a significant association with disease resistance in this study. Therefore, any difference observed in disease resistance among the different diet types may be due to random variation rather than a true relationship. This concludes the conclusion and interpretation of our analysis. Thank you.